This is Lovely Lilies Creativity Kit from Alta New. This is a specially curated collection of products created to inspire your creativity. In the kit you will receive everything you need to create breathtaking projects for all occasions. These flowers look great on cards, scrapbook pages, and even home decor. The 5 layers on the flower image create such a realistic look, while the coordinating dies make fussy cutting it out a breeze. The kit includes layered lily stamp and die bundle, signature word dies, and floral 6 mini ink cube set. An exclusive project guide is also included to inspire you and kickstart your creativity. For more information on Lovely Lilies Creativity Kit and other available products, please visit us at altanew.com.